In this video, I am giving you honest guide about Kling AI, which nobody tells you what that actually means. Let's get started. Kling AI 3.0 was launched on February 5th, 2026 by Kuaishou. It runs on something called a multimodal visual language architecture, which simply means text, images, audio, and video are all processed together in one system, not separately. Here is the honest truth about the free tier. You get 66 credits per month. Those credits reset monthly and they do not roll over. Unused credits disappear when the month resets, so if you don't use them, they are just gone. In standard mode with basic settings, a 5-second clip costs 10 to 20 credits. So, on 66 credits, you can make 3 to 6 clips per month. That sounds reasonable, but if you switch to professional mode, which gives better quality, a 5-second clip costs around 35 credits. That means only 1 to 2 clips per month. And if you're using the Kling 3.0 flagship model specifically, a 5-second clip at 720p costs 30 credits. That leaves you with exactly 2 attempts per month, and that's only if both succeed on the first try. If a generation fails, and they do fail, those credits are still deducted. A failed clip still costs you 30 credits, so on a bad day, you might get only one usable video from your entire 66 free credits. On top of that, free tier output is watermarked, resolution can drop to 360p during peak hours, and commercial use is not allowed. So when someone says Kling is free, yes it is, but the free tier is for testing and learning, not production. On the left sidebar, you'll see the main tools: video, image, and more. In this tutorial, we're going to use both video and image. Let's start with text video. In the left sidebar, click on video. Write your prompt. This is the most important step. Kling 3.0 responds extremely well to cinematic language. It's built to think like a film director. Select Video 3.0 model, that is the latest flagship model. Set your duration. On the free tier, you can go from 3 to 15 seconds. I strongly recommend starting with 5 seconds. Choose standard mode, not professional mode. Click Generate. When your video is ready, preview it. If you're happy with it, click Download. Remember, the free tier watermark will be visible on the output. This is for personal use and learning only. Now, this is the most important technique I can teach you for the free tier. Click on Image in the left sidebar. Generate an image with a detailed prompt. Once you have an image you love, use the Image to Video feature. You can either click Create Video directly on the image or go to the video section and upload your image there. Describe motion in prompt box. Water droplets slowly falling from petals, rose gently swaying, soft spotlight flickering, camera locked, macro depth of field. The smarter approach is to generate an image first, then turn that image into a video. You are directing the movement, not the subject. In the prompt box, describe the motion, not the scene. The AI already sees your image. This is the image first workflow, and it is the most efficient way to use your 66 free monthly credits. Here you can see the results, water droplets falling from rose petals. You can save the video results by clicking on Download button. Kling 3.0 generates audio natively, meaning it creates the sound at the same time as the video, in the same process without any separate file. When you're writing your prompt, simply describe what you want to hear. Waves crashing on shore, seagulls calling, light wind, and the audio will match your scene automatically. Next feature is Element Library. You can create an element, you upload multiple reference photos of the same character, person, or object. Kling stores them and locks in the visual identity. On the free plan, you can store up to 30 elements. In the video generation settings, look for the Add Element button and select your saved element before generating. This is especially useful if you're creating a video series where the same character appears across multiple scenes. Set it up once, bind it to every generation, and eliminate the inconsistency problem entirely. As you can see, it generates the element of same object according to my prompt. Similarly, with the second object, image is created, but same prompt used and it gives awesome results. Same prompt used for video generation, and it creates amazing video of same girl. Same girl, same costume, but the environment is totally according to our prompts. This is the beauty of Kling AI 3.0. Here are 5 practical tips to get the most out of your 66 free monthly credits. Tip 1. Always use Emotes First workflow. Generate emotes first, then convert to video. Cuts wasted credits in half. Tip 2. Generate in the morning. Queue times are under 10 minutes early morning. Afternoons can hit 30 to 47 minutes. Tip 3. Use Kling 2.6 instead of 3.0 when you don't need audio or 4K. Fewer credits, same great quality. Tip 4. Keep prompts under 200 characters. Subject, camera movement, lighting, mood, that's all you need. Tip 5. Save your best prompts in Notepad. A good prompt gives reliable results every time. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe our channel for more videos.